mystore.gg. Okay, and this is the e-commerce platform built for creators. Very, very simple, easy to use. This is not live yet, but even Matt, I want to show you something, Matt. Take a look at some things, if you want to look here, Matt, for a second, that we've added yesterday. I've connected print on demand. We have Printful integration already, Printify integration already, Gelato integration already, T-Launch and Tscape integration already. I wanted to put Shine on, but you got to get approved by them. So you have your main dashboard. You also have the ability to see your app in light mode or dark mode, which is gorgeous. All right, I have the app in demo mode, so it populates data, so I don't have to give away customer data here. I click here at any time and I can actually see what my store looks like. We're going to talk about that in a minute. You've got your orders. You've got your preview of the order. We've got your products, import products, export products. You've got the ability to add a product, and you see, very nice and easy. We took some of the important stuff that we had from GrooveCart and just made it easier and faster. You've got marketing. Matt, you're going to love this. We added discounts. I decided to put all these other things in there so you have the ability to create impressive discounts too. When you edit it, there's lots of different rules that you can do. Like, does it apply to all products or specific products? We've also added abandoned cart. Matt, you'll love that. It does email with abandoned cart. We even have Stripe and SendGrid integration. Customers can add reviews and put them on your website. We have gift cards that can be added. So that's under the marketing tab. Under your store settings tab, you have your general, your appearance, okay? And you can customize the design. Here, I'm going to get back to that in just a minute. Let's get back to store settings. We'll get to appearance in just a minute. Okay, you got your payments for Stripe and PayPal, and integrations, your Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics. So that's store settings. Then we've added shipping. All right, we've got advanced shipping, basically everything that you would want from GrooveCart without the complexity. Okay, in your drop downs, this is what you're going to put here for what your shipping costs are. Now, when you go to design, take a look at this. Same thing that we did with GroupeLog. You first have a template and then a style, right? So this is called the minimal template, and the style color is this wellness calm. Let's go to this one here, and you see that the colors automatically change as well. So let's stick with modern. Okay, then there's creator, product focused, content driven. Let's just go with the minimal for now. And style, I'm going to put on this tech modern, and I'm going to find my save button. We got to click apply changes right here. Now, if I go look at the actual website, you see it just changed the font and the colors, everything to that. Now, if I change it to something like this, and I click apply, now the store automatically changes to something like this. So you can see these details, folks. You've got all of the different colors for light mode, dark mode, and you even have your different fonts applied. Like, we're very familiar with doing this with our different ones. Let me just see let's look at like creator in a completely different style. That would be more like wellness. Let's say we're a fitness creator, and click apply. Well, there we go. Refresh our store. And just like that. Now, let's take a look at how fast the store actually loads. I'm going to click this product here, and we're going to click on black medium, black large, white medium, etc. You can add your quantity here. You got your description of the products. We're keeping it clean, nice and clean, a nice, simple store that you can have. Watch what happens when we click add to cart. Why did it go from 4 to 6? Because I had quantity at 2. Again, users can see your site in live mode or dark mode. You can change all of these navigation links. You simply have this banner you can put at the top or the bottom for the users and set the sale. You have right here, look at this beautiful cart, how fast it loaded. This is your related products order bump. This you can manage right here, delete this product live, just like that. You click checkout and you go to a page that has PayPal, gorgeous, express shipping, standard shipping, credit card, or PayPal. Really, really super nice site. And it just works. It's clean. It almost makes you get excited to go build a store because it's not as complicated as GrooveCart. But we're not done. We also have the ability, I believe we did customize. Customize here is where you can change the banner up at the top. You have your hero section. What do you want it to say? Your navigation for your website, the different sections, your footer, and your contact. Setting up a site is very easy, and you can also have team settings. Look at this. So you can have different people come into your store, and you have your account where you do your password. You have different stores that you can create. So this is demo store, this fashion boutique. You can create a new store, unlimited stores for you. And yes, all Groove customers will get this, and this will be replacing GrooveCart.